subscribe to Android Discovery channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. The Haylou Solar LS05 Smartwatch gained a lot of traction when it was launched. The affordability and round display are its main selling point. It was retailing at the price of $38, but the recent flash sale on Banggood has slashed its price to $32.99. There's an additional discount for the users who order it from the official Banggood application. Only 5 days are remaining before the deal expires. It is currently available only in black color, and the retailer will ship it within 24 hours. The shipping is available across the globe. Haylou Solar LS05 smartphone comprises a 1.38-inch round TFT display with the resolution of 240 by 240 pixels. It carries G-sensor, heart rate sensor for better heart rate monitoring. There's a 340 mAh battery which allows the device to work flawlessly for 15 days. It takes around 2 hours to fully charge. The smartwatch can efficiently measure heart rate, step count, activities, color burn and much more. It even supports smartphone notification sync along with other utility features such as stopwatch, alarm, camera remote, calendar, sedentary reminder, etc. So friends, expected if you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.